Yo, what's going on guys? Today we have the DJI Mic Mini. This one actually came out a while ago, I think about a year ago. Quite a lot of stuff in the box, so I'm going to get all of this out and have a look today. The current mic that I'm using is actually the one built in on my camera. For the work I'm doing, I need to get a bit of an upgrade. We're also going to do like a comparison with the audio at the end, so make sure you stay for that. I really love DJI products. I know DJI is very reliable and the quality of their stuff is really good. Case with everything inside, papers, stickers. I think I have these stickers already actually. Stickers, okay. No one reads this. We have a quick start guide, safety guidance, which nobody reads. There's a lot of stuff here, but I'll read this later on. I love how they just, give us a nice case to keep it safe, keep it clean. Oh, quality is pretty nice. DJI logo, nice orange accent over here. It's a simple zip. Open that. Inside we have everything packaged up. So first we have the wind removing thing. Okay, so we have a black one. We have a different color one. I don't know what the difference is actually. Inside here we have this, which I might eat later on. And then we have this cable. So this is the one I want to connect to my camera. And we have a normal charging cable, just Type-C, which is lovely. Everything's Type-C these days. And then now we have the case itself. This is the Mic Mini. So there is the mic, I think 3 and 4, which obviously I think triple the price. The quality of those are like much better. But this I think is good enough for me. Here we have it. So the charging port is right over here. DJI logo at the top, looks nice. Let's peel this off. Okay, oh, it opens. So as soon as I open it, the lights come on and everything's ready to go. It's all synced up, paired up. Tells you here how to use the noise reduction feature, which it does have. Let's have a look at the receiver first. We can change the gain here. We have a clip to hook into my camera. Oh, so if a camera has this connection, it can connect like that. The USB-C, in case you don't have the charging box. So we have the port here to connect to the camera. We have a sync button, obviously a power button as well. Let's put this back in the case, this way. So this here, what you'll do is you'll connect it. So you'll take this off here. This will slide in like this. And now you can just plug that directly into your phone and then use the mic with that. But apparently, I'm not sure if it's changed, but you'll have to use a different camera app. It doesn't work with a native camera app. So that's cool. I'm not going to be using this anyways. I'm connected to my camera, but I'll have this in backup. And then we have the receiver itself. Let's have a look. Not the receiver, sorry, the actual mic. Pretty nice. Pretty light as well, not that heavy. So we have a magnet here. Oh, it's a pretty strong magnet. Wow. Nice magnet, so you can clip it onto anything. Sync button and the power button. Really nice. Obviously same for the other side as well. Okay, we have this, but I don't know. There's like space for something else here. I'm not sure what it is though, but I'll just put a picture on screen what that is for. But yeah, that's everything we get. I think everything fits inside the case, so we can push to the top. Keep this safe as well. Keep everything nicely together. Enjoy the sound test. This is how it sounds without the mic. Just me behind the camera. And now this is a test how the audio sounds like with the DJI mic clipped onto my hoodie. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye bye.